Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, in today's video you will going to know more about green heels. So let's start our video. Green heels are a type of footwear that typically refers to high-heeled shoes or sandals with a green color. They come in various styles and designs, and their characteristics can vary depending on the specific brand, fashion trends, and personal preferences. So I will give you some key details about green heels. So first comes design and style. Green heels can be found in a wide range of designs and styles. They may have different heel heights such as stilettos, wedges, block heels or kitten heels. The shoe itself can be open-toed, closed-toed, peep-toed or even boots with high heels. So next we will discuss its materials. So green heels can be made from various materials including leather, patent leather fabrics, wood or synthetic materials. The choice of material often affects the shoe's appearance and comfort. Now let's talk about the occasions on which you can use green heels. So green heels can be worn for various occasions. They can be a stylish choice for formal events like weddings, parties or corporate functions. They can also add a pop of color to your casual outfits. Coordinating green heels with the rest of your outfit is essential. They can complement different colors such as black, white, navy or even other shades of green. So the choice of outfit and accessories can greatly influence your overall look. Next, I will tell you some points about its comfort. High heels are not always the most comfortable footwear. It's important to consider factors like the arch spot, cushioning and the shape of the heel to ensure a comfortable fit. Next, I will tell you its care and maintenance tips. So like any other shoes, green heels require proper care and maintenance. Protecting them from dirt, moisture and scuffs is essential to keep them looking good and prolong their lifespan. Now let's talk about its trends. Fashion trends can influence the popularity and design of green heels. Different shades of green may become more fashionable in certain seasons, and unique features or embellishments may be in vogue. So if you plan to wear green heels for an extended period, consider using insoles or heel cushions to enhance comfort. Additionally, practice walking in them to improve stability and balance. So green heels are a versatile and stylish footwear option that can be worn for various occasions. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel.